Let's place a cube on the vertices of this plane. Shift A, search for instance on points, pull it out, add a cube, and now this cube is present on the vertices of this plane. We can change the rotation on the XYZ axis and also the scale on the XYZ axis. There are some other sockets which I will tell about but later. Shift A, search for a node called mesh to points node, and let's view this node. These are the vertices which are now converted to points, and we can change the radius. And we can also change edges to points. Now points are on the edges, faces to points, and face corners to points. We have a single face, that's why we have a single point. Reset this node with backspace. And now let's add an object from the scene to this geometry node. Shift A, let's add this monkey. And now remove this node, add object info node. Pick this monkey with picker tool or click here and add Suzanne. There is another way, which is pull it out from the outliner to this geometry node. And now notice the vertex count, which is 1014. If I check this as instance, now it is half of that because both are sharing single mesh data. And let me show you mesh data. This is a cube. If I duplicate it with Shift D, notice the vertex count, it is 515. Shift D, now it has been increased. If I duplicate it with LRD, now it is same because both have a single mesh data. Tap to go in the edit mode. If I change any one of them, then both will change because both of them have a single mesh data. And you can also see this in the outliner. LRD, both have same mesh data, and these are those cubes, and both have same mesh data. If I duplicate this with Shift D, now it has a different mesh data. So that's all about mesh data. And by checking this as instance, both have same mesh data. So this is how we add objects on the vertices, edges, and faces.